So I ordered a face shell from Zentai Zone. So we have bubble wrap and the beautiful face shells right here. Now let's just move this out the way. Pretty good, like a good plastic. Like very solid. And over here, they actually send you an extra magnet. This is how the lenses are. So now let's put them back on. They're very solid, it feels very good. And then here it is. I'm very happy because it gives me like that perfect shape for Spider-Man. And another thing, that these lenses, they won't fall off because it's not like a plastic glass. I just ordered and it says one size fits, you know, most heads, so I bought that one. It actually took them just like 3 days to get to my house, and that's perfect. I'm actually very happy about that. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.